Right, okay guys and girls, welcome back for another video. It's me, Tony. We're out on the Ninja today. It's lovely and sunny. It's quite warm as well. I think it's like about 20 degrees out and about. The sun is blasting. There's not many clouds in the sky. So we're going out for a short ride, and I've got work soon, so it won't be a very long ride. And I'm going out for a bit of a bird. Okay, we've got the drone in the back of the bike. And if we find something interesting, I'm going to whip the drone out and see if we can get some cool shots. It's going to be my first time using it, so I don't know how it's going to pan out. I've got no idea. So we started off in Meltham. We're heading over the tops back towards sort of Holmfirth. We're going to cut down through some reservoirs, some cool looking reservoirs, back up towards Moss. I don't know where we're going, to be honest with you. That's the cool thing about having a bike, you know, you just see it and just go there, don't you? Right, okay, where are we? Greenfield Road. All the traffic in the world turns up when you want to cross, doesn't it? Tell you what, it's warm today. Right, I've got some lovely twisties around here. They're not fast twisties, they're quite slow, technical twisties. Lovely countryside up here as well. Yeah, it's looking great today. Lovely sunshine. So hey guys, how you doing? Welcome back. I've literally not really spoke on here for ages. Got quite lazy doing videos. It's my own fault. I just need to get back into the swing of it. Since lockdown ended, you know, I've been back at work for the last sort of month, and work's really gone mad. I've got more work than I've probably ever had since I started DJing, and you know, money's really good as well at the moment, so we're out nearly every night a week. And I'm really having a lot of fun being back at work, but unfortunately, because I'm working a lot now on a night, sleeping through the day, because I'm not getting back in sometimes like 5 o'clock, 6 o'clock in the morning, and then you sleep then till bloody dinner time or whatever. You've got to get your 8 hours in. Alright mate. You know, I've got kids as well, so at the time you've played with kids, and yeah, there's not much time for motovlogging and that. Cheers mate, just fucking pull out, you prick. And you know, it doesn't leave a lot of time for making videos, but I've got a lot of videos that I really want to do that hopefully in the next couple of weeks I'm going to get around to doing. I've got a 1-year review on this bike, because I've had this bike over a year now, so I've got when I've got a couple of days free, and when I've got a 1-year review coming up, and it will take a couple of days to film because I've got a lot to go over, the pros and the cons, and there is some cons. For me, however, there's some cons, and look at this lovely reservoir here. Oh yeah. Yeah, so I've had some cons on this bike, and I'm going through a couple of issues right now, and I will go through it with you guys, but it won't be in today's video. We're going to save that in another video, but just in case you're wondering, I'll give you the gist of it now. So I've had a problem with my quick shifter. My quick shifter has failed, and it's caused me potentially either a bit of a clutch bearing failure or a gearbox failure, and we're not going to find out until about another 2 weeks when I've got it booked in at Kawasaki. They're going to strip it down, they're going to pull it to bits, and you know, they're going to let us know what they find. So I'm not going to talk about it until they've done it, because I don't want to knock on anybody or anybody, and I certainly don't want to say that this is wrong with it when, you know, it hasn't been stripped down yet. So yeah, so it's interesting. I've been told that I can keep riding it, it's riding okay, although I'm going to be honest with you, I'm taking it pretty steady. You know, you got a problem with your bike, you don't want to be going too fast in case something locks up or whatever. So yeah, some of the videos you see popping up, they're not current videos, they're actually older videos that I just haven't got around to editing, so we're putting them online. Excuse me. I don't know what it is about this helmet, this Ruroc helmet. It's like a little gap all the way around the visor, and air sort of gets in it, and it like rushes past my face, and it causes me to have like a dry cough. Let's let this horse's van come past. Oh, they're coming this way. Cheers, mate. You know, these Ruroc helmets aren't all they're made up to be. They look stylish, they're expensive. Nah, you're probably better off with a carbon Spartan GT or whatever they're called. But they're just as dear as these, you know. It's a well-made, manufactured helmet though. These are still new in the concept and they're still going through teething problems. So we've got Holme right in front of us, and we're going to head up and over the other side. A lot of bikers come up here. It's a very popular place, especially on like a Saturday morning or a Sunday morning. We usually have an ice cream van out, and it's one of the highest peaks in the north of the UK, where there's a road and whatnot over it. So you stand on the top, get a picture, and that's what's popular about it. And you can see out all over Huddersfield, Wakefield, and you know, halfway down country when it's a clear day. If you've noticed as well, I'm not using my quick shifter, because I haven't used a quick. Of course, I have been using my quick shifter for so long. My clutching has got a bit lazy. Some right turns around here. This one's a little bit tight. We're going quite slow as well. I tell you what a great day to be out riding. I haven't bumped into Crazy Legs yet. Crazy Legs, where are you? I've not seen you out and about on the road yet. I keep looking for you. I'm going to see you. I'm going to give you a wave and hopefully get you to pull over. We need to do a video at some point, mate. Have a little chit chat and catch up with things, you know. Oh, it looks busy up here today. Probably with cars, not bikers. We'll call in and have a look, depending how busy it is. So there's Moss Mast. This is the top of the hill. Not going too fast. Steady away today. I won't be getting my drone out up here because it's too windy, and the drone don't like it when it's too windy. If I get it out at all. So if you're not from this part of the UK and you ever want to ride up here, please make sure that you put Holme and the Pennine Run on your list of rides. I'm not going to call in because there's no bikers in there, it's nearly all cars. We'll give that a miss today. But yeah, this run up here, and if you go down through Glossop and over at top to Castleton, such an amazing run, and it's one of them runs that you have to come and do. Some of the peaks and some of the views are amazing, and it's that good. Look at this, look at these views over here. These views are that good that you know, a lot of us bikers come up here all the time. Check that out. That's just something else, isn't it? If you didn't know where I was right now, you'd think I were in Scotland or Wales or whatever. No, you know, we're in Yorkshire. And there's Derbyshire at the other side and a few others. And there's some amazing bike rides over here, honestly. I don't actually know where we're going today. We just jumped on bikes. It's a nice sunny day. Got a couple of hours before we go to work tonight. I thought we'd make the most of a nice day. Doggers car parks where they'd love to come up dogging on a night. Although I wouldn't know about that. Know what I mean? The views are just spectacular around here, honestly. If you ride too fast, you miss them. It's not going to be a long video this today, it's going to be a short one. Couldn't tell what you were riding then. Old Suzuki or Yamaha or something. Right, okay, so just in case you're wondering, you know, what's coming up, hopefully I've got the Super Duke 1290 GT review coming up very soon. I just need to find a spare sort of day or two to get over to Sheffield to do that, but I've got it set up, it's already set up to go. It's just a case of finding the right day. 1290 GT is a bike I've been looking forward to. It's a very odd looking bike, don't you think? It's you either love it or hate it, and I did actually hate it at first. It's got really sort of funny front end. It looks a bit like I don't know, it looks like a bit like a wasp or something, I don't know. It's very insecty like, and the front end really put me off. But actually I went and had a sit on it, and I was talking to the guy and had a little ride, and a really comfy bike. Sounded really good because it's a twin cylinder machine, so it's got a lot of raw noise in there that sounds awesome. I think one of the downfalls for me with the panniers weren't very big. The side panniers, you certainly couldn't fit a helmet in there, but we've got a lot more information on that coming up, and we're going to turn left here I think. Hopefully in the next couple of, well, in the next 2 weeks I should have that video edited down, finished, edited down and with you, but don't hold me to that. What else have we got coming up? I bought some new gloves. I've got the Gore-Tex Risha Gore-Tex City gloves, I think they're called. I'm going to do a little review on them as well, because when I was looking at buying these I couldn't find a decent review, and they told me they were a really popular glove, so why not? Let's do a glove. Some of you might be interested, some of you might not. And they're quite a good glove, half leather, half textile, sort of D3O in them as well for protection. And yeah, I really want to do a review of these. So as soon as I've got a spare day, there's going to be a review of my gloves coming up, because they're a really popular glove, and you know, if it helps you guys make a choice on what gloves to wear, then that's great for me. Awesome. What else have we got coming up? I don't even know. I've got loads of ideas, but bringing them ideas to fruitions, it's hard work at the moment, because I can't get all the test bikes to ride. I really want to do the Yamaha MT-09 SP, which is a fairly new bike that's come out last few months. I'm really struggling to get a test ride on that bike. So if anybody knows where there's a bike that I can go test ride that's available, hit me up in my DMs or drop me a comment, and I'll give them a call and we'll try to sort that out. I am at north of England, so you know, if we can keep it this way a little bit, that'd be great. And Yamaha, if you're watching this, send me a fleet bike for a couple of days. I'll do the most awesome videos that I could possibly do for you. And that goes with any other manufacturer as well. It doesn't have to be Yamaha, it can be anybody. I've got a little thing going on with Triumph at the moment, so hopefully Triumph will start lending me fleet bikes. I'm on their press email list, so that's a start. We're getting there slowly. You know, I think they're just looking for more numbers on my YouTube channel. So, you know, the more numbers I get, the more subscribers I've got, the more views I'm getting, the better things that I can bring. So please, if you're watching this and you haven't subscribed yet, it doesn't cost anything, but what it does do is it helps us to bring better content for you guys, because we're still a really small channel yet. You know, in the greatness of YouTube, we're a very small channel. Well, you know, we've got big ideas, and you know, the truth is that we need subscribers or more views to be able to bring these things to you. And so yeah, please guys, if you can hit that subscribe button, I will be eternally grateful to each and every one of my subscribers. and you know, we do have things coming up that are great. It's just, it's taking time to get to them. Nearly went past it then. Windscar Res at Dunford Bridge. Coming in the rear entrance. Let's pull up in this car park. Look. Look at that shine on that bike now. Look at this. Well, you can see this shine here now, sun's on it. Looks amazing. Look at this tank. That tank. Lovely emerald green. Right, it looks amazing. I hope you can see that shine there through that GoPro. Right, okay, ladies and gentlemen, that is the end of our video today. Please like, comment and subscribe. Peace.